Hello, my name is Madeline McQueen. I'm a multi-award winning executive coach, speaker, and trainer. I work specifically with women in leadership, senior women, around helping them to build their confidence, their clarity, their strategic empowerment, and helping them to elevate themselves and their careers. Attending the High Potential Talent Summit is really crucial because too often organizations don't invest enough in people who have moved up. So, especially whether we call it leadership, we call it management, but I've had this experience where I moved from being with my peers to being their leader and them being my subordinates, and not having any kind of training or space to discuss what that was, how it felt, and how I needed to behave, act, operate differently, meant that journey was a very difficult one initially for me. So events like this that enable attendees to upskill and to have honest conversation about where they are and how they need to move differently, crucial. So if there was one thing, one piece of advice that I would give to somebody who was starting their leadership journey, it makes me want to say more than one. But what I will say is this: invest in yourself. That's financially invest because there are going to be courses, coaches, all sorts of things that are going to make a difference. Invest in your relationships, so finding sponsors and mentors, people who can help you on the journey. That investment is going to be the best investment you could ever make over financial investments, that are going to make you more money, because that investment in yourself is going to help you grow and be more effective as a leader, then helping you to elevate your career.